In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TTrades Daily Bias in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this together step by step, so even if you're fairly new to TradingView, you'll be able to follow along easily and have this indicator set up by the end of the video. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually located near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search, browse, and apply different tools to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search box at the top. Click inside that search box to activate it. This is where you'll type the name of the indicator you want to add. In this case, you're going to look for TTrades Daily Bias. Start typing the name slowly and carefully to make sure it's spelled correctly, because even a small typo can cause TradingView not to find the right result. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter and show matching indicators. You should see TTrades Daily Bias appear in the list. Before you click it, just double check that the name matches exactly what you're looking for. When you're confident you've got the right one, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add the indicator to your current chart. After it loads, take a moment to look at how it appears. You'll usually see new lines, labels, or zones that represent the daily bias information. If you want to adjust how it looks, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top of the chart and open the settings. From there, you can customize colors, visibility, and other options so it fits your personal style and is easy to read alongside your existing analysis. To get the most out of this setup, I recommend using the affiliate link in the video description to sign up for or upgrade to TradingView Pro if you haven't already. Pro unlocks additional features like more indicators on a single chart, more alerts, and smoother overall performance, which really helps when you're running tools like TTrades Daily Bias as part of a complete trading plan. And that's all you need to do. Click on Indicators, use the search box to find TTrades Daily Bias, apply it to your chart, and you're ready to start incorporating that daily bias information into your analysis.